Everyone, you might be in a situation where your Logitech mouse for some reason is just not charging. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure that your mouse actually ended up charging and it's not actually dead. Sometimes your mouse may end up just being dead and may not have charged properly. So you might have to go through and actually properly charge up your device, because that is kind of one of the main things that you might end up doing here. So go through, charge up your device, charge up your particular mouse, and that is without a doubt one of the most important things I'd recommend kind of doing here. Now, on top of that, another important thing you can try doing is to try a different charging cable. Try to maybe plug it into a different part of your particular, mouse or something like that. Try unplugging it, plugging it back in. Those things are pretty easy ways of kind of fixing it. Another thing you can do here too is to try to clean out that charging port. So go through, try to shake out some dirt, shake out some stuff inside of your mouse. You can also try using a different power source as well. So maybe not plug it into your laptop, maybe plug it into the wall, plug it in some other way, because that can be another really easy way of kind of fixing this problem here too. Now, if that's not working, you might want to try going through and hard resetting the mouse. You can do this by turning off the mouse completely, holding the left and the right click and the scroll wheel at the exact same time. You want to wait and kind of turn the mouse back on, release after about 5 seconds, then plug it in to charge. That's another massive thing I recommend doing here too. And that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.